Good morning, YouTube! Welcome, guys and gals all over the world to Coding Bat. Code practice. Here we are to try another Python problem called Parrot Trouble. I wanted you guys and gals all over the world to know about ID, email, password, this thing right here in the top right corner. So you can have an account with Coding Bat, and I think it's a great way to save progress and kind of log in every day and see some consistency in solving problems. I mean, at the end of the day, coding is a lot about consistency. You know, a lot of what we remember is just through practicing tens, hundreds, thousands of problems, you know? And so I think it's a great tool. And if you're really invested into it, do go ahead and make an account. Um, so let's get on with the problem. Parrot trouble. We have a loud talking parrot. Okay, I'm really grateful I do not have a loud talking parrot because that doesn't sound good. The hour parameter is the current hour time in the range 0 to 23. Oh my god, I can see where this is going. We are in trouble if the parrot is talking and the hour is before 7, so 7 a.m., or after 20, after 8 p.m. Return true if we are in trouble. Okay, so if we read this backwards, we can kind of understand the logic better. Return true if we are in trouble, right? That's our main objective. And then to find out if we are in trouble, we pretty much say the hour must be before 7 or after 20, right? Notice this word is or. It really can't be and, right? A number can't be less than 7 or greater than 20 at the same time. There's no such number that is less than 7 and greater than 20. So this or condition says either after 8 p.m. or um, 7 a.m. within that same day. Um, Next, we know that our time is in the range 0 to 23. So um, that's a parameter right here. And talking is another parameter. I'm assuming that that's a boolean, and we can see what type of variable it really is through these test cases, right? They're passing in true. That's how you know it's a boolean. If it's wrapped around quotes, then it's a string. If it's a number like this, it's most likely an int. So parrot trouble, true 6, boolean int. It's saying if talking is true and the hour is 6, so notice this is less than 7, then we return true. Notice that this is at 7, so since it's not before 7, right? It's not less than or equal to, it's less than 7. That's the condition we're looking for. So that should be false. And another thing is false 6. This returns false. So even if the parameter hour is 6, right? And that is clearly less than 7, this condition must be met. And since the parrot is not talking, we can assume it's sleeping or something like that. And at 6 a.m., it's not creating any disturbance. So once again, very grateful I don't have a talking parrot in my house. So yeah, let's try to see if we can write down all these conditions. And also, when given all these conditions, we know we're going to use and or. But also, we're going to use if and else, you know? So really, there's only one way to see if it's true. And I'm going to write down here. Alright, so these are the conditions. The hour must be greater than 20 or the hour must be less than 7. And the talking must equal true. And we can wrap this around parentheses to make it very clear. So that's like our or, you know, just comparing these two statements. And then and talking equals true. You don't even have to say equals true even. You can just say talking. And that's referring to equals true. And then we can take this line and we can say if that, right? This must mean we have to return true, right? Because it's talking and it's a very quiet hour in terms of many households. Else, return false. Coolio. All right. Hope you all enjoyed that and hope to see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.